Are you ready to learn Spanish words related to desserts? Let's get started. Hi, I'm Jessica from Learning with Jessica Diaz, and today's lesson is all about desserts. We're going to learn the words for cookie, cake, ice cream, chocolate, and yogurt. Let's start with cookie. In Spanish, cookie is galleta. Let's break it down. Galleta. Galleta. If you wanted to say, I eat cookies, you would say, yo como galletas. Our second word is cake, pastel. 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 If you wanted to say, I eat cake, you would say, yo como pastel. Our third word today is ice cream, helado. 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 If you wanted to say, I eat ice cream, you would say, yo como helado. Our fourth word is chocolate, which in Spanish is chocolate. Let's break it down. Chocolate. Chocolate. If you wanted to say, I eat chocolate, you would say, yo como chocolate. Our last word today is yogurt, which in Spanish is yogur. 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 If you wanted to say, I eat yogurt, you would say, yo como yogur. Let's review those 5 words. In Spanish, cookie is galleta. Cake is pastel. Ice cream is helado. Chocolate is chocolate. And yogurt is yogur. Now let's test your knowledge of these desserts. How would you say cookie in Spanish? Galleta. How would you say cake in Spanish? Pastel. What about ice cream? How would you say ice cream in Spanish? Helado. And chocolate? Chocolate. What about yogurt? How would you say yogurt in Spanish? If you said yogur, you're right. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.